governors who went ahead of us, you have walked this journey, you have seen the path. Maybe in 2 minutes you could tell us, how do we bend this into reality? Governor Mwangi Wa Iria, tafadhali.
Thank you very much, Gladys. I want to take this opportunity to thank the governor of this great county. I've been there before. I've served for 10 years, and I think I see Gladys as a governor, as a two-term governor. Because this game is about how you start, but much more how you implement. And my only point which I would want to put across is that these investment conferences are great and they are good, but you must always find a way of connecting them with the people, connecting them with the ground. And as the senator said, you need local investors, but you also need the people. The people need to feel the investment, because that is when that investment will be truly evaluated. I was a governor for 10 years. I did many things, but most of the things which made me get a comeback or secure my 10 years are the very small retro, sometimes things which we mostly ignore. Those things which touches Wanjiko on a day-to-day basis. I remember in Murang'a County, I had a project which was heavily ridiculed by my competitors. I was dealing with a very simple, one of the items I dealt with was a very simple item called sweet potato vine. Very negligible, just a plant, actually a climber. But I gave sweet potato vines to every home. And I remember in one of the campaign activities, one of my competitors asked them, do you want a tarmac road or do you want sweet potato vines? You know, he got shocked. Everybody said, we want sweet potato vines. So, Governor, you must look for your sweet potato vine. And there are many vines, and they come in many forms. So as you do the investment program, please connect the big programs with that vine. Thank you very much, and thank you for a job well done.
Asante sana. Let me invite Governor Nderitu Mureithi, who's worked with Homa Bay